Hey, this is Meir Valensky with Driving Markets, but I'm not driving. I'm actually just sitting here in the garden. Um, it's a bank holiday in the UK, and Europe's open, the US is open. I think I want to focus on today. If you look at interest rates, look at Sri Lanka. Who the hell cares about Sri Lanka? But Sri Lanka raised interest rates. However, the most significant increase was South Korea. South Korea not only increased interest rates, but actually said they're going to increase interest rates even further in spite of the pandemic and in spite of everything else going on. They've increased interest rates and they're likely to increase further. The next country looking at increased interest rates increase is New Zealand. They haven't yet because they've just gone into lockdown because they've identified a couple of cases of COVID-19. But that's the next economy that said they're looking at a rise in interest rates. That's two significant countries, in addition to Sri Lanka, that are looking to raise interest rates. I want to be very clear here. If interest rates rise, then you're going to have a further cost, obviously increase on mortgages and debt, and there could be money pulled out of the stock market, and stock markets could take a correction. Be aware, watch interest rates, it's very, very important. News for this week, you've got non-farm payrolls on Friday, major number, something to keep an eye out, very, very important. You've also got producer index in China, which is out to report, so you've got to keep an eye on that as well. Overall markets last week on Friday shot up in the US. Was more of a relief rally because Jerome Powell, the chair of the Fed, said unlikely to increase interest rates or taper off the bond buying liquidity injection into the markets, and therefore that gave the stock markets a boost. However, that's already priced in, so just keep an eye on it. I'm very, very cautious. Markets are at the top, and therefore always be careful when investing at the top. Things to look at: gold. Gold has gone up to $1,815 an ounce. That's also quite interesting to watch. It's broken through the 1805 resistance. Something to watch is gold. That's an interesting one. A good indicator where markets are going as well. That's about it. It's a bank holiday, so no doubt I will speak to you tomorrow from my car when I'm driving markets. One quick question. One of my clients popped up and said, why don't I ask at the end of my YouTube what you want to talk about? So my question to you is, what would you like me to talk about on the driving markets? I think of the agenda and then just do post it. However, maybe you've got something specific, so you can add on to the comments or send me a message what specifically you want to talk about. I think on YouTube would probably be a good idea. Just add the comments there, anything specific, and we'll look into that. Anything to help you in your trading. This is Meir Valensky with Driving Markets, presently sitting down. Have a good day. Good luck. All the best.